Hey guys, this is Pranav saying I'm a master student in Concordia University, Chicago, and here I have developed an app that name is Coffee. And in this video, I'll be showing you what this app is about. So basically, this app is like a assistant app or a third party app, like whatever you want to call it. So basically, think of it as a coffee maker in your house. So James Hoffman, one of the really leading person in coffee world, so he is the one who is a creator of all these recipes, and these recipes are basically a tutorial version of all of his recipes. So think of this as if someday James Hoffman, like I just got this idea that one day if a James Hoffman decided to create a coffee machine, and there has to be a device that can be, well, like you're sitting at your bed, you can just selected his one of the famous V60 coffees, and you started that timer and it connects to that machine that is a coffee maker, and it starts making that, and you see it in your phone in the real time what machine is doing right now and at what stage the machine is at. And there are a bunch of pre-made selective list of how these recipes are over there and how machine and the coffee maker is processing those ingredients in the real time. So I will give you a tutorial of that app. Hopefully one day I will be able to pitch this idea to him so he can launch his product. So just a vague idea, like I also got this inspiration from many people online to create an app like this. I just worked a little bit on interface to make this app. So these are like recipe info, like you can see all of the, like I have used all these parameters to compose the app, to theme and to work how it's gonna work. Like you can see all the themes and everything. I'll be listing all of my code files and everything in the description. And here is the timer I have created. There is an animatable that is like how it's gonna look when it animates, and also all of this stuff which I have created, test on coffee, then timer name, timer value, timer duration and everything. So these are the recipe details of all of his coffees, which you'll see in a couple of minutes when I start the demo. So okay, so I know like no one is interested in the code. Once I have shown you that at that point of time you guys will be more interested. And here we go, let's run the app on our Android phone. I'm using a medium, like let me just zoom it out. Okay, now you can see properly. So here is a very simple app right now. Think of it again like you might have, or see, Android Studio. So think of this as like you have a Tesla and you have a Tesla app in your mobile which you can use to turn on the car, turn on the heat in the car, the wiper and stuff, like all of that stuff. So this is how this app is. It's like a extension app for the coffee maker. And right now it started. James Hoffman, recipe created by, this is his ultimate V60, and let's just start creating that. So if this app is paired with a proper machine that is a coffee maker, when you start play on it, it will start adding the coffee. It's gonna tell you how much coffee added, then how much water it's adding, like 60 grams of water, then it's adding the swirl in it, then now you have like it's waiting, then add water, like all of these things are happening on a screen on a coffee machine. Just imagine that. So that's the whole point of this app. And just a moment, I will just also show you some of the other, like this is the AeroPress. So we have to really create a nice high-tech machine for him, so we can just integrate this app into that machine, which is really clever. Place the piston 1 centimeter into the brewer. So like basically right now if you see, like I was a little confused like to make this app like a recipe app or something like that. But later I realized that's why you still see some notes stating that wait, like it's telling you to wait and stuff like that, but it's actually supposed to be to the coffee machine, which I will change eventually. So that's how it is. Thank you for watching this tutorial and this app. I will be sharing more details on this app in the future and how I'm gonna develop this even further. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next video and my next app creation. Thank you.